Okay, clothes. One more time.
Clothes.
Okay, where are the clothes now, Min An?
Under the bed.
Okay, write the word bed here. Okay, you say finish if you're finished.
Finish.
Okay, number 6. Min An, can you read the number 6?
Where are the books now?
Okay, where are the books now? What do you call this one?
Cupboard.
Okay, can you say in the cupboard?
In the cupboard.
Okay, can you write the word cupboard, Min An? Do you know how to spell the word cupboard?
Yes.
Okay, you say finish if you're finished. Okay, okay, there is R on the, just like this, Min An. The board. Okay, there is R next to the A. Okay, okay, let us just correct this one. Okay, let us just correct this one. Cupboard. Okay, how do you spell the word cupboard?
C
C U.
P U P B O A R D.
Okay. Now, great job, Min An. So, let us go to the next one. Okay. Now, let's read the number 7. Who's
Who's sitting on the bed?
okay? Who is sitting on the bed? Min An. The
The girl.
okay, the girls. You write the word girls. Okay, you say finish if you're finished. Okay. So Min An, there should be S on the girls. Okay, because there is two girls, so you should write S here. Okay. So let's go to number 8. Min An, can you read the number 8?
Who's opened the cupboard?
Okay. Opening. One more time. Who's opening the cupboard?
Who opening a the cupboard?
Okay. Who's opening the cupboard?
Girl.
The girl or the mom? Okay, this is mom. Min An, okay, you write the word mom. Do you know how to spell the word mom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Finish.
Okay. Great job. Let's go to the next one. Okay, now Min